나는 내 취미입니다. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, 취미입니다 is in red letters. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about 취미. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 295. 취미. 취미. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is 취, second syllable is 미. Pronounce it with me. 취미. 취미. The word 취미 is the Korean term for hobby. Again, 취미 is the Korean term for hobby. How do you write 취미 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable 취, we need to draw first a chiat character, followed by an u character, followed by an e character. The second syllable mi, we need to draw first a miam character, followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 취미. Again, it's 취미. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, singing is my hobby. Again, singing is my hobby. The Korean translation of this is 노래는 내 취미입니다. Again, 노래는 내 취미입니다. This sentence could be subdivided into three parts. The first one is 노래는, which pertains to singing or music. The second word is 취미, which is our word for today, and it means hobby. 입니다 is a way to say it is or a way to pertain to a declarative phrase or sentence. So when we say 노래는 취미입니다, it would result to a sentence that means singing is someone's hobby. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that 노래는 내 취미입니다 simply means singing is my hobby. And with that, you just learned 취미. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 285 to 294. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 295, 취미, which means hobby. The first word for our review is word number 294, 함께, which means together. Word number 293 is 치마, which means skirt. Word number 292 is 물고기, which means fish. Word number 291 is so리, which means sound. Word 290 is 미안해요, which means I'm sorry. Word number 289 is 도와주세요, which means give me help or help me. Word number 288 is 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is 여자친구, which means girlfriend. Word number 286 is 남자친구, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is 가수, which means singer. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.